Mama ndewonu. Biko gwata ya afa unu.
Afam Bada Chianugo Angel.
Afam Bunwada Esmoneze Esther.
Ngwana akwa gị nke a makakwa o. Gwana anyị ihe mere iji yie akwa tata.
Actually, we came to model for 042 events. So that's why we're in this costume, and there are others like us. So that's it.
We're here to show culture, we're here to show diversity. We're also here to show how beautiful we are and how beautiful our culture is. Like there's a popular saying in Igbo that says Igbo Amaka. So yeah, we're here to show all that.
Alright. So before I let you guys go, what particular thing is here that you want to tell us about? I mean, I know you guys are here to tell us stories. So what story are you trying to project?
About the history of Enugu State and the simplicity of Enugu State, how Enugu State is included in our culture in Nigeria. I guess that's just it.
We're here to show culture, we're here to show history, we're here to show the days of our forefathers, how they did their things, how we came about today, and lots more.
All right, thank you very much.